If you're seeing the Epic Games sign in failed AS-3 error on Windows, don't worry. This is usually a network configuration problem, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Epic Games error code AS-3 by checking your connection and changing your DNS settings to Google DNS. This is one of the most common fixes for login issues in Epic Games Launcher, and it often works when the launcher refuses to connect properly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, before changing anything, make sure your internet connection is actually stable. Open a browser and check if websites are loading normally. If your Wi-Fi is disconnecting, your router is having issues, or your network is extremely slow, that could be the reason Epic Games is throwing the AS-3 error. If your internet is fine and the problem is still happening, then the next step is to change your DNS settings. This can help fix connection lookup issues and give your system a more reliable route to Epic Games services. To do that, open the control panel on your Windows PC. You can search for Control Panel in the Start menu and open it from there. Once Control Panel is open, go to Network and Internet, and then click on Network and Sharing Center. This is where Windows keeps your main network settings. On the left side of the screen, click Change Adapter Settings. This will show you all of your available network connections. Now find the network you are currently connected to, whether that is Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Right-click on that connection and choose Properties. A new window will open with a list of items used by the connection. Look for Internet Protocol version 4, also called TCP/IPv4, and click on it once to highlight it. Then click the Properties button. In the next window, select the option that lets you manually set your DNS server addresses. This is the key part of the fix. Now, enter Google's DNS values. In the preferred DNS server box, type 8.8.8.8. In the alternate DNS server box, type 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers, and they are often more reliable than the default ones supplied by your internet provider. After entering the numbers, click OK to save the settings, then click Apply if needed, and close out of the windows. Once that is done, restart Epic Games Launcher and try signing in again. In many cases, this completely fixes the AS-3 error and allows the launcher to connect normally. If it still does not work right away, you can also restart your computer and your router to make sure the new DNS settings are fully applied. This is a quick and safe fix that does not delete your games or affect your account. It only changes how your PC looks up network addresses, which is why it is such a useful solution for connection-related Epic Games errors. If this video helped you fix the AS-3 error, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know it worked. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.